Hey guys, Danny Ray, LifeTelesalesMentor.com. Been quite a while since I've made a video and posted. That's all going to change. Just want to go over exactly a couple of things. Where I've been the last 6 months, okay, to a year, what I've been doing, and how this business has impacted my life, okay, which is really, really important. All right. Um, as you guys are probably very well aware, I had about a really serious COVID case back in January 23rd, and I didn't get back to really get back to work till mid-April. Extremely ill. Probably should have been hospitalized a few times, but I did have an oxygen concentrator inside of my bed. All right. So I mean, I really want to talk about what this business enables. A lot of agents that come into this business, they're like, "Oh, I want to make the money, right?" That's usually the biggest impact the agents see in this business is making money, right? Which the money in the business is very, very, very accommodating, to say the least. All right, this is just one of those businesses that you put what you put into it, you get out of it. All right, so I wanted to talk to a few things about the last year and me taking the foot off the gas pedal and a lot of things in life. Okay, and I could not have done any of it if I wasn't in this business. Okay, being sick, gravely ill with COVID from literally January 23rd. I remember like it was yesterday. It was a Tuesday. To the middle of April until I started feeling okay, and then the lingering effects of brain fog and everything else after that. Um, because I'm in this business, I didn't stress over finances whatsoever. Okay, one thing about this business is the renewal part of it. Okay, to work your ass off for years and provide yourself with a six-figure in renewal income. All right, is something that enables us that when God forbid if something happens when we get sick, we don't have to really be concerned about the bills being paid. All right, I couldn't even imagine if I was working a job punching a clock where I had to take 3 months off. I'm not getting paid, right? Family's not getting bills aren't getting paid, electricity's not getting paid, things of that nature. So this business that I passionately love and admire and adore um, pays us well after we make that sale. All right. Again, if you passionately care about your clients, you do the right thing, put their needs ahead of yours, and you do that consistently, all right, you're always, always, always number one. You're gonna have you're gonna have a client, a book of business that is just phenomenal. Persistency above 90%. Clients that love to speak to you because they know you care. Remember, clients don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Okay, really, really important. All right. So this business that we in are involved with pays us, and enables us to do certain things. Um, like in the last year, I rekindled a very important relationship to me that's long overdue with my brother. Okay. As you guys are very well aware, he's sick. He's been battling, fighting cancer, and he's kicking ass, man. He's rolling with the punches, taking the hits, and he's moving forward. Strongest guy I ever known. But this business allows us to, if family members are ill, or if you got thing you're ill, or if you just need time to reflect and revamp your life, this business allows us to do that, and we're not really behind the eight ball all the time and trying to, well, I can't do this because I have to do this. This business provides you, and again, guys, this is not a business you need to work 15 hours a day for the rest of your life, but in the beginning you got to really build and gain traction, make one less mistake a day, and really put the tools in this business, especially the tools if you're a telesales agent. This masterclass, okay, um, it really goes ahead and teaches you how to sell at a high level, how to approach this business with a proper mindset. All right, so I just want to talk about that real fast. Again, the last year I had the opportunity to rekindle a relationship that's very dear to me now. My brothers, I love them dearly. Getting ill and sick for literally 90 to 100 days, then me and Lisa Marie purchasing a house, moving out of state to our new home. We just closed on it a month ago. It's our forever home. It's out in the middle of the country, acre of property. a huge blank canvas that we could just go ahead and build our dream backyard, where resort style, and we just got we're very excited, and no other business would have allowed me to do this. Okay, the way I did it, where I could take some time, spend time with my brother when he was sick. He's doing well now. Still battling, but still he's doing wonderful. Again, I admire him dearly, dearly. Okay, strongest person I ever met. Um, Getting through COVID and being ill for literally 90 days, a long time, and then lingering. Again, purchasing a home, moving out of state. Although Pinnacle Quote is still headquartered in Jacksonville, Florida. We have a house now in Blackshear, Georgia, in the middle of the country. Okay, so it's been a great experience and transition, But now, I mean, we're back. Me and my wife, we're back to really focusing on what we love to do. Okay. No better time of the year to do it. Slap in the middle of Liam, Life Insurance Awareness Month. All right. So it gives us an opportunity for the next couple of months to really, really go ahead and maximize and then enjoy Christmas. See, one thing about us is over the years of, I mean, I've been doing telesales since the 90s, guys. And some of you know my story. So I've been doing telesales for going on almost 30 years. I mean, 98% of all the sales I've ever done was over the phone. I remember back in the day of 40-foot phone cords, double fisted, running up and down an aisle with other brokers around me. But again, I've been doing this a long time. So, I mean, I work very smart now, and it's really important to me to enjoy life. We don't work our asses off to work. Okay. So you guys heard me say 100-day march. I mean, the last couple of years I had the 100-day march. I got pulled in a different direction. I didn't really was able to maximize it. I had so much things going on, and I didn't follow through a few times. And my apologies for that, because I'm one of those people that always do. And just because you're getting pulled in multiple directions, I was unable to. But the way I approach this business on a yearly basis is January to tax season, you work your ass off. Okay, 100-day march, you could probably easily do a quarter or more if you really work smart. Okay, and you got a nice influx of leads and everything else. All right, and then from April 15th to August 15th into summer, your family, enjoy life, man. You gotta enjoy your we work hard, so you gotta enjoy the fruits of your labor. Okay, go on those vacations, those special trips, those spend time with your family. August 15th rolls around, you do another 100-day march to the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Then you put it neutral and you enjoy the time of your family from Thanksgiving to Christmas. Maintain business, keep up with your clients, but don't be in full-fledged, building mode. All right. And that's how I approach this business every year. All right. Um, and we've earned and we keep on building. And again, going back to what this business has done for me the last year, to enable me to take two steps back, reflect, spend time with loved ones, take care of myself because I was extremely ill. Um, Being able to purchase a home, move to a different state, our forever home, our dream home, um, it's just phenomenal for me and Lisa. That's why I wanted to really discuss and talk about how this business can impact your life. Okay, if you just stick with it. Okay, and you have the right mentor. Leads me to my next thing. I think a lot of you are going to be very excited about. Um, we are going to start bringing on agents towards the end of the year. Okay, we've been building the infrastructure recently. We're going to be offering agents a fully automated CRM. Okay, fully automated. It's going to blow you away. The same leads that me and Lisa call, we generate from four different avenues. Okay, we'll have our leads that we call and we generate for our agents that we're going to be bringing on. All right. Again, it's going to be built off of transparency, truth and transparency for the virtual agent. Okay, across the board. So basically, we're going to be our own GA or BGA. All right. Through our brands, Pinnacle Quote Insurance for Barrel.com and also PQ Medicare Solutions. Again, we're going to have a home built for everybody. Okay, every agent out there. But guys, I'm not looking to bring on 1,000, 2,000 agents, hundreds of. I'm not. I want quality. I want agents that are focused on really want to build a really good income in this business and can be is coachable. Okay. I don't want somebody that is gonna is the clay's hard. You got to be willing to learn. And if you're struggling in this business and you are consistently not breaking through the ceiling, okay, you got to be willing to be coachable and trainable, okay, and just have faith in what you're trying to learn. Okay, the masterclass, the mindset and the sales process are going to be training tools built in to our agency, the CRM. Okay, so you become an agent here at Pinnacle Quote, okay, or insuranceforbarrel.com or PQ Medicare Solutions, then you will have access to all the training, all the automations, and everything else. It's pretty much we built out for you. All you got to do is call or answer your phone. That's it. Okay, and just approach this business the way I do. Okay, which I'll teach you. Okay. So going forward, I'm going to be doing more videos. Okay. I want to get back to basics. I want to get back to topic videos. I'm basically going to take the master class. I'm going to spread it. Okay. And I'm going to hit one by one each topic again. Okay. Refresh everything else. I'm going to start going ahead and posting live sales. Okay. I'll get Lisa on there too. A couple of my agents. Okay. Live sales. Okay. That really helps you guys. All right. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know how this business has impacted my life and how it can impact yours. Also to let you know what's on the horizon. Okay, we're going to be building something very special. It's going to be based strictly on transparency and truth. Um, Everything in this business, it's rough. It's if I've been very fortunate to be with a group of people over the last few years have just been remarkable. All right, unfortunately, outside these doors, all right, it's shark infested waters. Okay, so many different GAs out there or wannabe IMOs. They take advantage of agents. Okay, they do, and it's horrible. That's why one of the biggest things I've ever taught myself is how to market and generate leads. Whether it's via SEO and again, a lot of people have given me nuggets over the period of time that help me implement what I know now, where I don't need anybody. I'm self-sufficient. I don't ever have to buy leads. I just have to spend money in marketing. All right. So agents out there that down the road that are looking for to be a part of what I'm going to be building. All right. You'll be part of something special. Okay. Something that's going to, again, truth and transparency across the board and jumping in the boat and just rowing. You know what I mean? So me and Lisa will be building out our downline. It'll be some of the highest contracts in the street. Which again, it's sometimes, guys, I want to talk about that too. Contracts, getting the highest contract with no support is it's like driving blindfolded. Okay, you got all this muscle and don't know where to go. Okay, so again, it's really important to be with a place that's going to be um, there to assist you in your success. Okay, so look out for that in the next 2 or 3 months. We're looking probably to really start expanding. Probably be taking agents on as far as contracting after Thanksgiving, the whole month of December, to hit the ground running in January. So that's our game plan. Okay, again, we're building infrastructure. Again, automated CRM. Um, and leads you're going to be call you're going to be have the opportunity to call the same leads I call. Okay, we just gotta we have four different venues, that avenues I should say, paths of how we generate leads that it will benefit you. All right, so again, this business is what this business has done over the years has enabled us to get to this certain point. Okay. And again, we're not looking to bring on hundreds of agents for the sake of bringing agents. We want quality guys. We want people that really want to learn this business the right way. All right. So if I get 10 agents out of this with us rowing the same direction, I'm happy. I'm not looking to bring on hundreds of agents with bad habits. Okay. But again, if you do want a place where you're appreciated, you're always going to matter, and you're coachable. Most importantly, coachable. You have to be willing to learn. Okay, you have to be willing to learn. Okay, if you don't learn, you're not going to go anywhere. Okay, um, then you'll probably be very excited about what we're going to be offering. Okay, so with that said, I just want to touch base with you. I'll be starting to post a lot more videos, off-topic videos, and training. All right, but very excited to be back in the swing of things. All right, I feel rejuvenated. I feel alive again, and it's gonna be fun. All right, so with that being said, have a kick-ass day, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. See ya.